Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of effortless cleaning with the Leebein electric spin scrubber, a 2024 innovation designed to tackle stubborn stains and grime in your bathroom and beyond. This upgraded scrubber specializes in deep cleaning mold, dirt, and soap scum from bathtubs, sinks, tiles, and grout, and it's equally effective on floors, walls, and even glass surfaces. What sets this scrubber apart is its unique remote control feature, allowing you to adjust the speed or power it on and off without bending or kneeling, saving your back and knees from strain. With 2 adjustable spin speeds and 4 angles, this versatile tool is perfect for tackling tough cleaning tasks in various areas, including stone tile floors and toilets. Powered by an upgraded 2,500 mAh battery, it charges fully in just 2.5 hours and lasts up to 90 minutes, ensuring you can clean your entire house on a single charge. The scrubber comes with 8 durable brush heads tailored for different cleaning scenarios, from dome brushes for tubs to flat brushes for tile floors, ensuring every corner is spotless. Backed by a 90-day refund policy and a 2-year extended protection plan, the Leebein electric spin scrubber promises excellent quality and peace of mind, making it a must-have for your cleaning arsenal. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.